Stop scrolling. Did you know that in 2026, there are millions of people in Nigeria who are burned guilty of a crime they never committed? Quite preposterous. They are successful, they are beautiful, and they are brilliant as well. But in the eyes of tradition, they are unclean. They are the Osu. Today, we are breaking the silence on the appetite, secret on the secret appetite of Igbo land. If you think this doesn't affect you, wait until you hear how deep the roots go. Yeah. The Osu Caste System isn't about money or skin color. It's a hereditary stigma. In many parts of Southeast Nigeria, society is split into two. The Wadialas, that is the freeborn. Yes, the freeborn. I wonder who is not born freely. Then the Osu, the outcasts. And Osu is seen as someone dedicated to a deity, a slave of the gods. And the most painful part, if your great-great-grandfather was an Osu, you are one too. You can't wash it. You can't wash it off with a PhD or a billion naira, even $1 billion. You are burned with an invisible mark that dictates where you can sit, what titles you can take, and the most painfully, who you can marry. Too bad. This series is going to expose things many elders want kept in the dark, but we must talk. Before we go to part 2 of this very segment, I have a question for you. Is the Osu system a preserved culture, or is it a human rights abuse that we should have buried decades ago? I'm reading every single comment. Drop your thoughts below and follow me for part 2. Thank you and catch you. Bye-bye.